Hey guys, welcome to the second video of HTML programming and editing. This tutorial will basically show you uh, basic text coding and basically explain what HTML is. Alright, HTML is one of the many computer languages such as CSS, PHP, and C++, all those programming languages. This HTML also allows for website creativity, so you can create your own websites through it. HTML also, it does stand for hypertext markup language. And basically hypertext, which is the method of the way you move around on the web, and by clicking special text called hyperlinks, um, you are able to move from one page to the next. Uh, the markup in HTML is what the HTML tags do to the text inside the markups. They mark the certain type of text method, like italicized, bold, and underline. Uh, and HTML is basically just the language, as I said, for it has codes and words and syntax like any other language. So that's basically HTML. And let's get started with a few bolding and italicizing HTML types. Basically, when you bold, you want to hit the um, the brackets, which basically are these, the greater than and less than signs. To start the bracket, you hit the greater than one, and you just type in, for bold, you always type in a lowercase b, and then you close the bracket off with the, no, excuse me, that's the greater than, and then you start off with less than. And then type in your text in there. Then to close off the bracket, you do the same thing, except before the B, you type in a forward slash, and then you hit a B, and then that. That basically, the forward slash basically tells you to end the where you want the text to, where you want the coding to stop, and basically where you want it to start again. All right, this next one is basically for italicizing. It's the same thing except you put an I, and then there we go, and then you close it off, and then you slap forward slash I, and there we go. That's basically the bold and italicized. And so basically, and how HTML doesn't really take long, and depends on what you want to do with it. Uh, Different tags also perform different functions, uh, and also they allow you to God, what's the word? I can't think of the word, but they allow you to put good stuff on the internet, like images and basically text formats. Uh, the tags don't appear when you put them on the website, but their effects of what the tags do show, but the tags themselves do not really show up on the HTML site. So here I want to show you a code for um, an HTML code for a website, and how big they are. And all right, this is the start page. Basically, what you want to do is go to View, and then Page Source, or hit Control U, and this shows you the basic HTML source for Google, the Mozilla Firefox start page. As you can see, it's really small, but it also is very long. Basically, it does take a while, but usually not long if you know how to do it. All right, that's basic HTML, what it looks like. And back to Alley code. Okay. Um, Also, the HTML is usually you can usually be it usually is viewed on a browser like Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, or then another web browser is also called Netscape Navigator. Um, Basically, the browser reads the HTML file, and then translates it into a text and visible form for you to view on the website. And writing your own HTML is basically using tags correctly to create the way you want it to look. Um, Also, the range your range of skills you will learn In my tutorials will allow you to help you create your website in any way you want to. So, all right. Also, another basic HTML is do the brackets, and then you put HTML, and then the bracket again, and then you type in that, and then you end it with, then you type that in, then HTML, and then that. All right, guys, that's basically the start of these tutorials and what HTML is and how you can use basic functions like bold, italicize, and HTML. So, all right, guys, I'll see you in the next tutorial video, and I don't know what I'll be doing it, but expect it to be good. All right, YouTube, follow me on Twitter, subscribe to my videos, and see you guys later.